Can you tell the audience what should be someone's plan to start a career in cybersecurity in 2025? Tell in such a way that people who wants to transition from IT can also find the path easy and action-driven.
Great question. The best pathway for a IT to cyber career transition is CyberOps 360. This is a 6 months of extensive program driven by Black Pearl with collaboration with Goa Institute of Management, GIM, where you get the extensive world-class technical hands-on program from Black Pearl and get leadership decision-making power to level up your cyber skills from GIM's esteemed faculties, which they've been doing over a decade now. You get everything what you want in a robust, practical-driven, in-eth curriculum.
So what's the full launch plan from Black Pearl we are looking at?
First of all, you are getting some awesome offers in Black Pearl Academy on our on-demand courses, labs, learning paths, bundles. Look at our newly launched MS Sentinel course. All these will help you strategically if you are already in cyber and wants to increase your tech skills in most practical way. Second, look at our CyberOps 360 program as I mentioned. Trust me, Black Pearl and GIM are putting up their every energy to make this program a masterpiece. No one in India can deliver an outcome-driven engagement program like this, at this level and of course at this budget. Trust me.
Awesome! It's nice to hear from you about CyberOps 360 and Black Pearl Academy new updates. People are doing BCAD as well, right? Which is your flagship program? What's the difference between BCAD and CyberOps 360?
Another good question. Remember, BCAD is highly tech-focused and perfectly matched for someone who are looking for technical growth being in cyber. We don't teach things from scratch. We consider you are already in cyber and looking for extra. That's where we bump in. Now, CyberOps 360 will make your career transition from IT to cyber. You will learn leadership skills, technical skills, plus decision-making skills from absolute scratch, no prereqs. You are in IT and feeling stuck? Join this. It can bump up your growth into 2x, 3x. I can promise that because we know what we are creating. Again, don't get confused. If you want to know more about the curriculum, reach out to my team.
Thank you so much for the clarity. And from my side, people will already know, but don't forget to apply HO 2025 code while you purchase from Academy. This doesn't apply on live program and Sentinel course. Once again, thank you everyone. Merry Christmas and advanced Happy New Year.